Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can deactivate Facebook account. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, tap on the menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen and a new page will load up. Inside this page, scroll down a little bit, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you are inside Settings, tap on this See More in Account Center embed and the Account Center will open up. Now, tap on the Personal Details tab, then select Account Ownership and Control, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion tab. Here, you will be asked to select the target account. After that, choose Deactivate and tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue and it will prompt you to enter your account password. After you have entered the password, choose the reason for this action, then tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue and then tap on Deactivate Account button to proceed with it. So that's basically how you can deactivate Facebook account. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.